morning, guys. Today we're gonna show you how cycling in Koh Lanta looks like. Here are our bikes. We rented them for 150 bahts per day per bike. A regular price was 200 bahts per day, but we're renting for 5 days, so they gave us some discount.
Hey guys, welcome to Pimp My Ride. So I installed a new seat. It's a seat warmer and also a butt softener, because yesterday our butt cheeks, the left and the right one, was hurting quite bad. So I put this blanket over Magda's bike. I put these 2 towels over mine. Feel it.
Very nice. We ride the bike yesterday for maybe 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And our ass was hurting already. Our first destination is Lanta Old Town. It's 13 kilometers from our starting point.
It should take us about 1 hour.
Okay, see you later.
Here we go. Now it's a bit downhill, so it's better.
So first 5 kilometers behind us, and it is a bit tiring because it's a bit hilly, but it's like up, down, comparing to Buyukada, for example, where we have to carry the bikes with us because it was too hilly. Here it's fine, actually. You can show like how it looks like. It's not like extremely hard. Let's see how the rest 9 kilometers will be like.
So, yesterday I've seen 2 dead snakes on the road, and today I've seen 1. And this is quite a big one actually. Yeah. So what? Yesterday we seen 2, right?
2, so it's 10 dead snakes. That's scary. We've seen 1 alive.
Yeah.
What was it?
In the temple, Tiger Cave.
Tiger Cave. And 3 dead.
Yeah. It's quite a lot of snakes here. We need to be super careful.
We just arrived to Lanta Old Town. Not many people are visiting here because there are no beaches on this side of the island. Most people are staying on the west side where all beaches are located, but the town is on the east side. This is the most charming town I ever seen. You can also visit Koh Lanta Community Museum. The museum shows daily life, boats and tours of the ethnic group called Chaole, which is also known as Sea Gypsies. Unfortunately, on this occasion the museum is closed, but maybe you will have more luck. If you find yourself in Lanta Old Town, don't forget to check out the pier. It used to be the main port on the island, but nowadays Saladan Pier took over. Koh Lanta Old Town Pier is still in use, but only for small tourists and local boats.
Oh Jesus. On our way back, we decided to take a different path. Shorter, apparently, but steeper, way steeper. As you can probably see from our sweat, we're glistening.
So the way back, it's a bit harder. Apparently it wasn't hard enough for us. This is how the road looks like. Go up there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 18% incline.
Okay, going uphill, recording, driving with one hand. God damn it. I can make it. Nope, no I can't. Sorry, go up. Oh, so nice the locals here. We took an unpaved road. You can do it, you can do it. still.
I like this path even more.
Yes, me too.
So peaceful. We should maybe one car here.
Yeah, it's like a road between the mountains.
Yeah.
It's so peaceful and full of nature.
First day cycling is in Koh Lanta is officially over. We're ending our day watching sunset from Beautiful Beach. That's the name, Beautiful Beach. Now we're gonna chill a bit in the water. My shark is already here. So we did almost 27 kilometers, I believe. The road is not very challenging.
It's actually welcome, a bit of a challenge. Like, I was happy to have this a bit up and down. The second road we took the way back was more picturesque.
We got to ride the bike through some small villages, and it was very nice.
1 or 2 kilometers, it was unpaved road, so it was off-road.
Oh yes.
It was amazing.
Few useful information. Make sure you get the lock from the place you're gonna hire the bike. Start early morning because there is not much shadow on the way. Take lots of water with you, but also there are many small shops on the way.
Most of the way you will have the motorcycle lane, and sometimes you may even find a bicycle lane.
If you was like me, so I don't like to ride the bike when it's like busy road because I'm afraid, and here I feel perfectly fine. Honestly, I feel even much more safe than I felt in Poland when we was doing this 72 kilometers by the seaside. So that was day one of our cycling in Koh Lanta, and we're gonna see tomorrow how it's gonna be when we go a little bit up north. Say bye bye. Bye bye.